day, right? On the day itself, right after we hear the result, oh my God, it's only 0.9. It's really time for us to really have an edge from the other university. It will be wilder and fiercer.
It's very different in a way na talagang mas mataas yung level of difficulty na hinihit namin ngayon. Kung last year, wild and fierce, ngayon, wilder and fiercer. Talagang doble, todo-todo na. Talagang nag-training kami ng hard, simula nung summer pa lang. Adjustments, talagang pinaghirapan namin. It requires talaga more patience. Sa bawat isa, syempre may mga rookies kami, may mga bago, and tiwala naman kami na kaya rin nila yung ginagawa namin.
Every year, it's normal to me that I have really a big members of rookie. And this time, I have 13 rookies, proud to say, and they're doing good. Challenges that, in my part, that I will really strive my best na magiging magaling sila. And I am really happy for the result. I'm handling the group for 12 years, and I love pressure, and it's my job.
Sobrang dami naming problema na pinagdaanan simula pa lang nung summer na nag-start kami mag-training for this season. Syempre, hindi mawala yung mga injuries, yung mga conflicts. Although may mga major adjustments kami sa routine, pero hindi yun makaka-apekto sa pagkapanalo namin dahil alam namin na mas ikagaganda ng routine. Syempre, sobrang confident kami kasi alam namin na kaya namin at tatalunin namin sila. Of course, we are claiming that we will win this time.
Really, God is good to us, very confident.
To all the FEU supporters, sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa amin, sa lahat ng taong sumusuporta sa FEU, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show dahil we will give them a tough fight.
To all Tamaraws out there, thank you very much for all your support. I will see you on September 15.